Okay, so once with the door open, you pull this out, and the cup chute can lift up straight away. And the next step, we need to modify the cup holder, cup slide, and also the cup drop gear mechanism. Remove the brass screws just to hold the cup slide in position, and then lift that up and slides out. So once you got the cup holder done, so you need to remove the gear mechanism. So 1, 2, 3 screws. There's a little knot, so you lift up to give you more accessibility. So take this one off and undo this cable. All the way follow this black cable. And to this compartment. So from here you need to undo these screws and then lift. Yep. And still follow the black cable and disconnect it from here. And now we have the gear mechanism modified and also the cup holder. So jump to the water inlet valve. So this is what it looks like. So you need to undo these 2 screws, remove this metal plate. So this is the inlet valve holder. So you just put it on, simply put it on, and then follow by the 2 screws. All right, this is what it looks like from the inside and from the outside. Okay. So once you have the inlet valve done, you'll find a pipe that are crimped by this metal clip. So undo it. This is the water tank overflow pipe. This one goes to the overflow control valve, which is the black tip. The white tip from the inlet valve is where the water goes into it. So followed by the trace. This is the pump module. So disconnect the pipe from here. This end goes into the white piece. All right, now this is how you should connect the pipe with it. For the power, this is the whole bunch of the wire loop in there. So you cut the zip tie and loosen this wire. So you just simply disconnect it from these 2 and put it onto the water inlet valve. All right, so this is now just nearly done. To change the coin slot, you need to first remove the 2 screws that are mounting the PCB. And once you got the screws off, the PCB can hang over to the other side. Then there's 1 screws. This is for the coin slide that it needs to be removed. And then these 2 screws, you just need to be loosen it, and then you can remove this lever. To remove the black panel, to give you access of the coin slots, you need to remove a couple screws from the interior. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws, 2 at the top. And then there's 2 clips. Use a flathead screwdriver or something tiny to poke it from inside. And your antenna wire, you either have the 1 person that hold the panel from the front for you, or you carefully disconnect it from the PCB. But always remember to reconnect it when you put everything back.